Aveneto Pizzeria Restaurante opens its first branch outside Metro Manila in SM City, Cebu.
Actually, we're authentic New York pizzeria. We used to have a branch in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. That was mid-80s, mid-80s to late early 90s.
Also, you grew up in the States.
I stayed there for 3 years. My dad was there for 10 years. We used to have a pizzeria in New York.
So this is your dad's recipe.
It's from his friend, a Greek friend who also owns a pizzeria in Connecticut and New York. And they shared the recipe to my dad.
My first favorite would be oil and garlic with seafood and white sauce. The seafood pizza. Tossed salad with seafood because I love seafood. The classic pizza, the baked ziti, and of course, to top everything else, my favorite is the choco brownie one, the golden brown.
Hi Cebu, I would like to invite you to our first branch outside of Metro Manila here at SM City Cebu. Please try Avenet.